Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare thali-pieth using leftover rice. These are very simple to prepare and taste super delicious with pickle, yogurt or butter. You can eat it as a breakfast or lunch. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare this recipe. We need leftover rice, finely chopped onion, asafoetida, 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup of besan, 1 cup jawar flour or jolada hittu, salt to taste, finely chopped coriander leaves, curry leaves, green chili paste, some carom seeds, turmeric powder and oil to roast thali-pieth. Now let's see how to prepare thali-pieth mixture. First we have to sieve the all flours together, besan, jawar flour and wheat flour. You can store this flour mixture in any container and whenever you would like to prepare thali-pieth, you can use that. Add turmeric powder, green chili paste, curry leaves, salt to taste, add carom seeds. We have to crush carom seeds in our palm and we have to add finely chopped coriander leaves, asafoetida. Now we have to mix everything well. Once we dry mix everything together, we have to add finely chopped onion and leftover rice. If you have leftover dal or potato bhaji, you can add to this mixture. It will be very tasty. Now we have to mix everything well and we have to add little water and make it into a very soft dough. Add water and make it into a soft dough. Our thali-pieth mixture is ready. It is very soft. You can see we have added soft sticky rice, so it is little sticky. Now I am going to add little red chili powder so that we can see little red color. Our thali-pieth mixture is ready. Make small portions of dough balls. Now we can prepare the thali-pieth. Keep the tawa for heating. Take one plate or you can make it on countertop. On that keep wet clean cotton cloth. Apply water to cotton cloth. Take small portion of thali-pieth dough and tap the thali-pieth. Apply water to your hands so that it won't stick to your fingers. You can see we have to tap it for 3 to 4 mm thickness. It should not be too thin. Make small hole in the middle so that it will help to roast thali-pieth well. Now we have to take out the cotton cloth and put the thali-pieth on tawa. Tawa is hot. Add little oil. Now we have to put the thali-pieth using cotton cloth. Now slowly we have to take out the cotton cloth. Apply oil to thali-pieth. Close the lid and allow it to roast for 1 minute on medium to high stove heat. After 1 minute, let's flip it to the other side. Again close the lid and roast it for 1 more minute on medium to high stove heat. You can see Thali-pith has roasted well. Both the sides we have got nice golden brown spots. Press it little bit. Now we can take out from the stove heat. Keep stove heat to low. Make one more Thali-pith and apply oil and add the Thali-pith and roast it well. Now I made all the Thali-pith. You can see these are very soft. We have added rice. You can enjoy it with butter, yogurt or pickle. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.